of My Store admin app panel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open the app, and here you will see the add category option. From here you can add the category of the products that you're selling. You can write the category name here and select a picture and then click on add category. So the category will be added just like this, and then the next option you have is to add products. So from here you can add the products in a particular category. For example, it's displayed fruits here. You can change it into vegetables and click on add product and write the product's name here and the product's description. Here you will be displayed with the amount of the product that you're selling. So we have it in grams, kilograms and pieces. Here you can write the amount of the product and then click on add and then select a picture. So your product will be added. Next is add banners. So from here you can add the sliders that are displayed on the top and the bottom of the screen of your app. So you can select any pictures from here. Next is all orders. So all the orders that are placed by various customers will be displayed over here, and all areas here, wherever you're selling your products in particular areas, you can add the areas here from add areas, and then you have to click on add area. All queries. So here all the customers or the users who have any queries related to your products or your app will be displayed over here. Next is all users. So all the users that are using your app, their numbers and their email IDs will be displayed over here. So next is logout. So you can log out your admin panel. So we will provide the link to this admin, the access to this admin panel. So whoever is the main admin of the app, we will assign a username which is his number. So the app can be opened with his number only. So from here you can log out and log in anytime. So this is it about the app. They are open to suggestions. Moreover, if you have any doubts, you can contact our team anytime. We are there for support.